Yeah, but
Very good evening to all, and I request all those who joined today. First, please mute yourself so that we can have a good interaction and we can listen about today's guest. Today we have with us a very eminent, of course, personality who is actually working for press media since long, you can say for 10 years or so, and she didn't need any introduction, of course, but still I need to give some of the introduction of her work actually, what she has done up to now. And I request Anjuji to please switch on her video because if her video is not on, we cannot have the pics of the day. Okay, she is not there. Okay, so let me give you the idea. Let me give you the introduction of her, of course, how Pragya Madam has started her journey. We will be discussing more about her journey in the later discussion too. But let me give you one snapshot how exactly she is doing, what exactly she is doing. Uh, wait a while. हाँ जी मैम प्लीज आप जुड़िएगा कनेक्ट करिएगा नहीं आप दिख तो रही है मेरे को लेकिन आप वीडियो आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए so she is a senior journalist working as a senior correspondent. Although she has worked tremendously with the Hindustan Times, Times of India, and also the Pioneer, that is for the Jharkhand edition. And she is working towards the social development. She is writing towards the social development activities, and she is has up to now she has published somewhere for 50 plus publications on this. So today we will be discussing more about her journey on as per se how she started her career, what was her ambition when he was studying during her school days, and how she landed to this journalism, and then the journey moves on, and what are all the challenges if we take on the challenges of the woman or challenges of the girl to be at it um, in media or press, what are all the challenges. So let us find it out what are all those things. A very warm welcome to you, Pragya madam. Thank
Thank
you
you
to
so
all.
much, sir. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction.
And what I would like to know from you actually is uh,
Mm-hmm.
the way you have started. How exactly your school days and the college days? Beforehand,
Okay.
you joined this academic, professional world, of course. How
Okay.
was
Okay.
those things?
Okay. So, is it that I will continue in English language, or I
You,
can
you
speak in
you
Hindi?
should continue with English language because so many students are there who are from actually South India, so they are very much comfortable with English.
Okay. Okay. So, actually, I start like if you talk about my academics first, then I have completed my 10th from Bishop Westcott Girls School. Then I did my +2 from Loreto Convent. Then I did my graduation in mass communication and video production from the prestigious St. Xavier's College. Then I got an opportunity to, I got selected through an entrance examination through All India examination to study at Asia's Premier Journalism School, which is Asian College of Journalism in Chennai, ACJ Chennai. And after completing my PGD, that is post graduation diploma in journalism, I started working for HT Times of India, and then subsequently I landed up working for the Pioneer newspaper. So basically, I am confined to Jharkhand, and I have worked for Jharkhand region. So that's how it all
Oh,
started. And mostly, if you talk about things like how I landed into journalism, so this was my pure interest area. It was not like that. Okay, I did not compete for any engineering entrance examination, or I did not go for any medical examination. No, that is my personal choice since class 11. I personally feel that whatever, if you like studying humanities, go for humanities. If you like studying science, go for science. If you like commerce, go for commerce. So I had opted for art subject when I was in 11th, and that that's all how it started. I started writing for school journals. Then subsequently, then I thought, this is, if this is my passion, I should take it as a career forward. So this is how it started. So I completed my 10th in the year 2006. 2006, then plus two in 2008. So that time there was a typical mentality. कि आपको when you are in, society says like, okay, you should go for science stream, engineering that time was a very evergreen field, or even medical science was a very evergreen field. Then even today people say that, but what I felt is that कि I am like I will be more if I do something which I enjoy doing it. As I said, from school days, I started writing for school journals, school magazines. So I thought, ki, why not? I should take journalism as a full-fledged career. So I started during my school days, and finally, the journey continues. So it is just like that. So in my case, I have got support of my parents also, and everyone in my family supported my journey. So I didn't. It was not a coincidence or something like that, but this is by choice. Like by choice, I'm a journalist.
Okay, okay. So, tell me something. How your parents' inclination was there once you choose for this media and the print and the journalism? What was their reaction actually?
Yeah. See, what happened, as I said, that society has this mindset. Okay, society has this mindset, and being a girl, like parents are always concerned about ki theek hai. Like we don't have working hours, to be very honest. We are not 9 to 5 people or 6 to 10 people. हम लोग वो सुबह ऑफिस गए शाम में आए because we have altogether a different platform only. So yeah, in the like my parents were quite worried, but eventually with time they also understood the nature of job. They also understood like, okay, my daughter is capable of doing it, and slowly it all went smoothly only. Yes, even today also, if you go for reporting at a far-fetched area or at some disturbed area or at some areas which is like, so obviously they are quite worried ki how. But again, I'll say ki it is all about the confidence. It is all about the belief. You need to make your parents. You need to make people understand that whatever you are doing correctly, and you just have to prove yourself at a point. And even I can say that there are challenges also. There are society constraint also, but I think you just need to focus on whatever you are doing. So when you, as I said, that I got full support from my parents, and when I started this journey, like initially they were worried like कि कैसे manage होगा, क्या manage होगा, but then with the time it all went smoothly. Even today, if you say कि चलो हमको कहीं दूर reporting पे जाना है, या this is the COVID time, so when you go out for reporting, so they are worried कि हाँ, but then you need to understand that if you have chosen this profession, एक point पे ऐसा आएगा, you have to take a decision that whether you want to work or whether you just want to switch to some other career. But again, I'll say ki move with a flow, move with a confidence, and I think you will achieve it.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
I was reading your this thing, your profile, and out of profile, something interesting came in. That interesting part was the sumoto, which actually Jharkhand High Court actually taken
Yeah.
just on account of your article.
Yeah.
What was
Yeah.
that exactly? And please define how exactly this sumoto is. What are the definitions? How this occurs? Why this happened? And why that particular incident happened actually?
See what happens. You must be fairly. You guys must be familiar with the UN agencies, United Nations agencies. There are lots and lots of agencies that works for different issues. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Please go on.
Sorry.
Please carry on. Carry on.
Yeah. I was saying that everybody must be familiar with UN, United Nations, and their agencies working for different purposes. So there's one agency we all know about it, that is UNICEF. So it keep posting updated data. It keep posting, they do research and they do, they present reports to the government about the well-being of children. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. You are. Please carry on.
Yeah. So on the report presented by UNICEF, it was in the year 2014. Okay, when this Jharkhand High Court took the suo moto cognizance. Suo moto is actually in Hindi we called it Swata Sangyan. Swata Sangyan is something which the court, the High Court, have the right. जो आप newspaper में छापते हो, they read the article and on the basis of the article they take action or they give directive to the respective government or respective administration to take action upon something which need proper attention then and that time. So there was one report published like kids were not getting the birth certificate. So on the report based on the UNICEF report, based on UNICEF report, I did an article about the status of the birth certificate being issued in the Jharkhand region. So on that basis, Jharkhand High Court took the suo moto cognizance, which is called Swata Sangyan, and had given directive to the state government to immediately issue कि ये क्या हो रहा है, birth certificate क्यों नहीं issue हो रहे हैं झारखंड में, what was the main reason behind it, what are the loopholes behind it, why it is not being carried out on time, and on that basis it was like the government, the Jharkhand High Court took the suo moto cognizance. So it was, and here I would like to add one thing, that when you are into reporting section, like media has two sections. If you don't mind, if I can explain the hierarchy system to the audience. So media
Yes,
has
please.
two sections. Media has two sections. One is advertisement and marketing, and the second one is the editorial. Editorial is further divided into two sections, which is reporting and desk. So if you are interested in reporting, if you are interested in going out in the field and you write reports and you carry on every activity, and there's a desk field who do the editing job. Okay, so in according to that, if you move for just a second. Accordingly, if you move, if you see the things, if you go through it, so when you are in the report, you get to interact with lots and lots of personality. Okay. So in the meantime, when you interact with them, you automatically get some news. They give you some tips. लाइक ओके मैडम यहाँ पे है कि हमने एक रिपोर्ट पब्लिश किया या हमने कुछ रिसर्च किया एंड दिस नीड्स पर्सनल अटेंशन, तो यू जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड दैट, यू नीड टू कीप नोट फॉर न्यू एंड देन यू हैव टू मूव फर्दर फॉरवर्ड. तो आप जैसे आपने कहा, यू आस्क्ड मी कि हाउ इट ऑल हैपेंड. सो इट हैपेंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द यूनिसेफ रिपोर्ट. So I contacted UNICEF people, then they said, yes, this matter needs to be highlighted. So I started, my team started investigating and I got this report, yes, this thing is getting happened, birth certificates are not being issued. So then we just cross-verified the facts and then we published the report and Jharkhand High Court took the suo moto cognizance on it.
That's good work, of course. This is one good thing which is coming out, how the reporters are coming in, but exactly the actions been taken up by hierarchy or the government or institutions by the reporting, of course.
Yes.
Now coming to
child rights,
your journalism as a career. What was those some high points or low points as in coverage per se? Suppose some news which is been taken by you and it's been highlighted so in a brand form or in something good way, or what are those events where you feel no, it's been actually reported by me but someone has taken, or otherwise also, what are those low incidences during the reporting? once you are as a journalism you are actually doing?
See, there are like highs and lows. It depends upon person to person. How they take highs and how they see their failures and all. See, I am a person. I believe. I just believe in work. ठीक है, I don't believe ठीक है किसमें there are politics which happens in the office and media is full of politics. We all know that. ठीक है, so there are competitions. So I don't see any negative points in being competitive, yeah, being something ye. Abhi tak, since if I talk about my journey, if I see my high point, once you have discussed like the sumo moto wala thing, that was another high point which obviously any reporter will feel good ki Jharkhand High Court, yeah, any other high court in the country has taken your they have considered your report, and on the basis of that report your name has been published and आपने ये काम किया. So highs है and lows, if you talk about, I would say कि um, as a person, again I'll say, if I don't do any good report, अगर मुझे 3-4 दिनों के लिए कोई कह दे, if they say कि if I don't get any news report, if I don't write anything good, yeah, if I'm doing something कि see every day you don't get a breaking news. No journalist get breaking news every day. ठीक है, you have to do regular reporting only. So that time you feel कि हाँ थोड़ा सा you need to push up yourself and you need to find something, you have to start brainstorming on your ideas. You need to start brainstorming about the whole thing कि हाँ मुझे reports क्यों नहीं मिल रही. तो I think low point यही है कि मेरे लाइफ में कि when you don't get good, when you are unable to find any good news report, you are just doing these normal news reports. So that is the only low point, I think. So that's the only thing. And when it comes to ये क्या बोलते हैं, what to say, highs to highs, when obviously when you see your news report being carried in the first page, so that is another good point. When I as a journalist, I'm personally very much interested in writing about human interest stories, about policy stories. So when I get something like that, when I get uh, some someone who is doing, say, just take an example of women entrepreneur. If some women entrepreneur are doing great, but they are not being highlighted by any newspaper, whether it's a regional newspaper, it's a Hindi newspaper, or any other newspaper, and your organization gives you a permission to write, and or आप दिल खोल के लिख देते हो and it gets published, and if it gets published, administration notices this, and finally if they get and they get the limelight they deserve, so you feel good about it. So that's how I work, that's how I think about it.
Okay. Now all our interns are women or the girls. Okay, so what are exactly the real-time challenges for a girl or a woman to be in this profession, of course, that is journalism, and how you are dealing with those challenges?
See, this job itself, I will be very honest to you. How many of, I would like to ask to the intern first, sir. But they can comment, they can write how many of them are like interested in reading, writing, and reporting. Because this is something like if you talk about challenges, every field has its challenge. Even corporate world has its challenge. They have their own So first you need to analyze the fact कि are you getting the resources? Like if you are a journalist, you need to have resources, you need to have open mindset. Like I still know some people who are, I will not say कि they want to be a journalist, they are a good writer also, they can deal with things also, but there are some orthodox situations. ठीक है, मैं फैमिली की अगर बात कर लूं तो there are some orthodox situation. तो one is that कि you need to first understand your inner capability, then you need to understand your surrounding, then the third thing which I feel is that if you are able to cope up with your you need, if you have understood your situation around you. So I think the real time challenges यही है मेरे हिसाब से कि first understand your surrounding, first understand yourself, be realistic to yourself that if you're choosing any profession, and obviously I'm from media, so I can only tell about media. There are challenges, and if you need to deal with pressure, you need to deal with office politics, you need to deal with editorial policy here. I would like to say, like, as a journalist, you need to be unbiased, but there are political ideologies. People will agree with me. Okay, there are political ideas. There are people. They are these, since they are girls, they will understand that they, among them, some maybe they are supporters of BJP, some maybe the supporter of left wing. But you need to understand to which organization you're serving. If you are serving to India Today Group, you are serving to Hindustan Times, they are slightly left wing. Left wing, I'm not saying, don't take me in a wrong sense, they are slightly towards Congress. So you need to understand, okay, if my ideology is something this and I'm working from that particular newspaper, then accordingly you have to mold it. I am not saying that be, you have to you should, you have to, आपको एकदम अलग हो जाना पड़ेगा या कुछ भी उस टाइप से नहीं. You just have to be realistic. You need to understand the fact that where you are serving, and accordingly you have to act, because editorial policy is the real challenge for all of us.
Okay. So just connect my question very much connected to this only. In once you are going for a writing, are you preferring really the political news, or are you preferring the social development news?
See, as I said, I am interested in human interest stories. ठीक है? I am inclined towards political policy making also, which is somewhere related to government reporting. So I personally feel that if I have got something like, आपने शुरू में जो ये question किया मेरे से regarding this motor cognitions, I have this specialization in child rights also. One of my core elective was child rights. So कहीं ना कहीं ये मेरा एक interest area भी था, which took me to that point. I have reached to that UNICEF report, and then I did the story. ठीक है? And if I'm talking about the realistic thing, you don't get anything. You will get beats in your organization. That okay, you are assigned for this education beat, you are assigned for health beat, you are assigned for this crime beat. But at the same time, if your colleague is not there, who is looking for a political report, is if suppose they are ill or वो छुट्टी पे गए हैं, so you will be assigned the job of carrying that political story, and you will be expected to do this. Okay? And as a journalist, remember one thing, and I firmly believe it is, if you are a journalist, you should know something of everything. Okay? I have dealt with interns. अगर आप उनके सामने बिठा दोगे, if you ask them the difference between Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, they are unable to clarify it. विधान सभा, विधान परिषद, आप ये कर दो. तो you just don't have to live in according to your whims and fancies कि मैं तो कर ही लूंगी. You don't have to be ये, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है, they come, if I ask some question like ठीक है कि you are interested in carrying out which sort of reports, because see, you don't know individual, you have to ask them. They will straight away say, ma'am, मैं तो पॉलिटिक्स में तो I have to, अरे भाई, you need to understand, एक पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में समझना, ठीक है, and for writing is a different thing. आप ठीक है, आप कुछ जान सकते हो, but when it comes to writing in newspaper or writing in any public platform, you need to first understand कि उस subject के बारे में you are having that particular knowledge, complete knowledge or not. As I said, if I am looking for a health section, if I am reporting for education beat, and if my colleague who is looking for political beat is not there, you have to carry on. But remember one thing, you should know about that. Yes, if I'm going for that coverage, मैं report अच्छे से करके आऊंगी, because yes, I have this कि मुझे उस subject का knowledge है. So here choice doesn't matter. even when your crime reporters are not there, sometimes you have to add that also.
Okay.
So here
So
choice doesn't
you
matter.
so Prakash, you mean to say if your editor is saying that I'm giving you the option, the open option, would you like to go for an page 3 write up or the crime reporting? Whom would you choose at that point of time?
If you like, if I get an open option, ठीक है? So page 3 reporting, crime reporting. So I think again, if I analyze my capacity personally, ठीक है? I'm interested in writing about films. I'm interested in writing about you can say celebrities. So I'll prefer page 3 over crime.
It is not going through that human rights and the page 3, of course, but of course it's the point of the interest where you are saying.
I am talking about my point of interest. See,
Your
what
point of
happens-
interest.
Yeah, point of interest. Crime,
Okay.
as I said, see, I have mentioned already, whether you are looking for whether you are sitting in a sports desk, whether you are writing about education, whether you are writing about health, it doesn't matter at all. If
It
your
doesn't
editor is saying, okay, Pragya, today you have been assigned this job because your colleague Manish is not here, so please go and carry. You have to be prepared for it, just like that. And right now, just you have asked about my interest area. Since I'm a movie buff, to be very honest, I'm a movie buff. I like watching movies. I like interacting here. I'm not saying grape communication. I mean, I'm not saying gossip writing. I'm saying serious sort of film journalism. There are good film journalists in our country.
So moving on to this journalism sector, of course, if I ask students to go for journalism, how exactly this journalism is building the career per se, and of course the nation also. How both are actually aligned to this?
Like if students select journalism as their career,
as in career,
Hmm.
how students can actually prepare for that, and of course this journalism is how it is supporting to the nation's building and nation's upliftment too.
Okay. We all know that we live in a democratic country. Everyone is every individual must be familiar with this fact. See, it has 4 pillars: executive, legislative, judiciary, and media. So in a country like India, which works on a democratic structure, you can very well realize the importance of media today. Without media, none of them can function. So I think it's a very good option if a student wants to select for go for journalism study. But sir, you have to be realistic with yourself. You need to understand yourself, like you are capable or you are not capable about it. Because it's not the whims and fancies we live in. हमें जो glamorous जो दिखा दी जाती हैं कि okay, media is all about fashion, media is all about page 3. No, it's not like that. You need to take journalism seriously, and you need to understand your inner qualities. Okay, I am good at it and I can do it. I can deal with the pressure, I can deal with the politics, I can deal with and moreover you have to realize that reading, writing and reporting skills are three things. Okay, you must need that. So before, I have edited copies. I'll not take the name of any individual here, but I have edited worst copies in my life. Okay, worst copies. You can't expect such copies to come on desk and they are reporters. I mean, how come? So you need to first understand that okay, right now there are no, like, I'll not say you can understand this point like this, that even if you are a lawyer, you need to enroll in the bar councils of India for your accreditation and all. In media, abhi tak aisa kuch nahi aaya hai. So there are many people, they opt for media because it's a very open platform. Abhi yahan pe you don't need any degree, you don't need any formal degree. ठीक है, people are doing mass communication. I myself have did that course, but journalism, आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक कोर्स के बदौलत आप एक जर्नलिस्ट नहीं बन सकते. You need that inner quality. You have to be realistic with yourself. And again I'm repeating this thing. This is not a cakewalk. When you walk in the real newsroom, you will get to understand things, and this is a very challenging role. So again, When you are preparing for it, prepare it. Yes, I have to do something for my country, and don't get influenced with anybody. Okay. And more than that, please treat everyone equally. If you're dealing with the CEO of a company, treat them also. And if you are dealing with any peon, please treat them also, because वो भी कभी ना कभी आपके लिए एक source बन सकता है, एक news का जरिया बन सकता है. So you have to keep all this in mind. Journalism is not an easy job, but yes, if you have that inner quality, you have that strength within, please choose this career. And I think I would love seeing more and more girls coming for this year. This was a very male-dominated profession till 90s, but slowly the
Again,
time has- but the slowly
yes,
the
I
time
can
has-
relate, of course.
Yeah.
Just during the COVID time also, and in around COVID, before COVID also, there was something discussion going on in media houses and the newspapers regarding the paid journalism, and this some of the news which is actually, suppose people are coming out and reporting something which is not, I think I must say, ethical as per se for any of the journalists, just for the sake of getting some money out of that or creating some money out of that, people are writing. How and what are your views on this vulturism of the journalism or the paid journalism?
So, do you think that only this TRP game or this? See, this you again. I'll say here that media is also. I mean, it is something. ये एक कमर्शलाइज्ड हो चुका है, ठीक है. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस दैट मीडिया हैज बीन कमर्शलाइज्ड. उसको भी रेवेन्यू चाहिए रहता है. दे नीड मनी टू वर्क, दे नीड मनी टू रन देयर बिजनेसेस. बट अगेन आई विल से कि दिस इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट मीडिया. ये सच्चाई है कि when you are living in 2021 and you have all the options, like you have open platforms like social media is there, so people write about it. There is no gatekeepers right now. Are you getting my point? There are no gatekeepers right now, so these things spread and they become viral. So for the time being, आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि ये टीआरपी का गेम है, लोग वर्चुअलिज्म कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एज राइट नाउ एंड पीपल आर ऑल ट्राइंग टू बहती गंगा में हाथ धोने वाला काम ये लोग कर रहे हैं एक तरीके से. बट कहीं ना कहीं एथिकल जर्नलिज्म इज देयर एंड ऑन दैट बेसिस द मीडिया इज बीइंग रन आउट. और 150 जो हमारा जितना बड़ा कंट्री है, यू कैन नॉट पुट कर्टेल्स ऑन. आप हर जगह पे एक गेटकीपर रख भी नहीं सकते हो, ठीक है. So it is very much that key. Yes, I will agree with the thing that media is being commercialized right now, and ये commercialization थोड़ा पहले ही शुरू हो चुका था. ये कोविड की ही बात नहीं है, बहुत दिन से ये हो चुका था. तो ये सारे जो भी चीजें हैं, ये जो हो रही है सारी बातें, ये कोविड के टाइम से नहीं है, ये बहुत पहले से चल रही है. तो दिस इज समथिंग. ये और ये इसमें बड़ा रोल एक सोशल मीडिया का भी खेला हुआ है इस चीज को लेकर.
So you mean to say, आप कहना चाह रही हैं कि हमें कहीं ना कहीं एक इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करना चाहिए कि किस तरीके से न्यूज जाए या क्या जाए. आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
एग्जैक्टली किस तरीके से न्यूज जाए. अभी आपने सुना ही होगा, ठीक है, कुछ महीनों पहले की बात है, ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट, ठीक है. उस पे कुछ भी रोक टोक नहीं था. द टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट दे वर प्रेजेंटिंग, दे वर ये. पर अभी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ने दे हैव टेकन द एक्शन एंड दे हैव टेकन द राइट एक्शन कि इस पे भी जो कंटेंट जाएंगे, दे विल बी under the
scrutiny.
I think
At least one scrutiny should be there that how the things are going out towards the people.
Yes. अभी क्या है, they all have got the free hand. अभी जिसको मन आया है, जिसको मन आ रहा है, they are posting those things. I mean, why? why to, so there should be a gatekeeper thing also. तो यहाँ पे अभी जैसे आपने शुरू में ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया कि जो जो सुओ मोटो कॉग्निजेंस का जो आपने बात जो किया, अभी भी यू विल सी दैट जितने भी जो गवर्नमेंट लेवल के काम होते हैं, जो भी सुओ मोटो कॉग्निजेंस, दे आर मोस्टली डिपेंडेंट अपॉन दी ये प्रिंट मीडिया आर्टिकल्स। उसका ये एक रीजन है बिकॉज दे हैव द स्क्रूटनी बॉडी, you just cannot write anything and everything in the newspaper. But with the broadcasting, ये चीज है कि still they need some regulations, right? OTT platform पे आया, OTT was a complete thing. There was no barrier. Producers, they're giving any sort of contents, and every sort of contents were being, telecasted, broadcasted, and इससे क्या होता है ना कि me and you are
So coming to this, the complete journey, of course, what you would like to say to all our interns? What is your message to all the interns? Of course, I'm just concluding for the day, but what is your message in a one single note, if I say, to all the interns?
I think for girls, I think women in media, women in science and technology, women in businesses, like girls, just buck up and just, if you want to pursue some challenging career, if you want to join media, if you want to become an entrepreneur, or if you want to go into science and technologies, just be prepared, man. And just, you just have to be confident about yourself. Just be realistic to yourself. Just don't bluff yourself कि okay, मेरी friend ने ये किया, या the world is doing that, so I will also do that. No, you just have to be realistic to yourself and just follow your heart and follow your dreams. So I think we women, each one of us, I think each one of us has that capacity here. They can achieve anything and everything in life. So just go for it. Now I would like to hear anyone, any question from my side, because see, I don't.
Students, if you have any questions, please let us know, or either you can write it on the chat box. And I request, because we are closing, you please switch on your video so that I can have and pick also. I request all to switch on your videos. We are so low in press freedom index. Anuji has said that we are very low in our press freedom index. Would you like to comment on this?
See, if as a media person, if I comment on this, it will be a very so we are low. Definitely, we are low on this, but yes, that is one point I agree with it, that we are very low on it. So.
Okay, students, you can switch on your videos if no such queries are there.
Somebody has asked, I have not noticed, one girl has about some rural.
I want to know why media as a job is not popular among rural youths.
See, again, I had said it's a beginning itself. You need to realize the resources around you. Rural youth, if you take about rural youth, I think we are still stuck with this mentality of this engineering and medical science. Whether you people believe it or not believe it, we are still living in that age only. ठीक है, मीडिया आज में भी सोचते हैं लोग कि okay, it is only about glamorous thing, it is only about Bollywood. No, I am repeatedly saying this, that it is not about that. You have to, you have to first realize about it. And लोग ये भी, आप रूरल यूथ के बारे में अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो रूरल यूथ का you need to understand कि उनका जो माइंडसेट है, उनका जो ये है, what to say, उनके जो अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज हैं, हो सकता है they want to come forward. Abhi, I can give you hell lot of resources about People Archive of Rural India. There are hell lot of rural, आपने सुना ही होगा नीलेश मिश्रा जी के बारे में, who does गांव कनेक्शन एंड एवरीथिंग, उनका जो न्यूज चैनल ये है, दैट इज फोकस्ड ऑन रूरल ये ओनली. तो इट्स नॉट दैट कि पीपल आर नॉट, youths are not coming, or it's not about popularity. It's about our mindset. It's about the mindset of the people. They are stuck in this age old thing of engineering and medical science. I'm not criticizing any profession here, ठीक है, but I'm saying कि people
are
aware.
not coming up. Still, people are not coming up for this
People are
profession.
not coming.
And our media houses should also actually, they should try to go towards rural people also. They should actually try to use some of the potentials from rural youth too. Either boy or the quality is immaterial, but they should try.
Mr. P. Sainath is doing a great job through his network called Pari People Archive of India. So, Nilesh Mishra is there for Gaon Connection. So it's not that. It's that people need to come. See, people will not go. Any organization will not go to you. You have to come and introduce yourself. Look, I have this potential, and you have to. It's again, I'll say it's not about popularity. It's about that people are not coming. हम लोग 150 करोड़ हैं सर आज इस ये में, 150 करोड़ विद डाइवर्स मेंटालिटी, विद डाइवर्स डेमोग्राफी, विद डाइवर्स एवरीथिंग. हमारा देश जितना वर्सेटाइल कोई भी नहीं है. तो यू नीड टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि आप जहाँ रह रहे हैं उतना क्या कनेक्टिविटी है, और अगर कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है तो आप भी खुद आने के लिए आगे क्या कर रहे हैं. और जहाँ तक कि मैडम ने कहा था कि इंडेक्स वी आर वेरी लो, ठीक है, वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू अचीव दैट हाइट. अभी तो है क्योंकि बहुत काम करना अभी बहुत बाकी है हर चीज में. तो ये सब चीजें हैं. It is.
Thanks to all. Any other questions, or I am in the meeting and then I am taking this meet actually. I am in Varanasi for some of the meet today. So, any other questions, or I can call up for the day? I request all to switch on the videos first so that I can have a pick at least. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are switching it on.
Oh, I thought then I must have bored them.
Okay, thanks Pragya ji for connecting us, and we will be connecting soon for team building also, once we will be doing that one. And our this internship is totally based on how the students can learn, and students are a part of internship also. Other students are part of a class that is for role of women in society and community development. So that is how the things are going on. These students are there with us for 30 hours learning, and we keep on asking, or we keep on tracking topics for the students every week. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the day. Namaskar.
Thank you so much. Happy to connect and happy to help.
Okay, thank you.